Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we are going to see how to crochet this cute little crochet crown or doll crown. You can also use them in your amigurumi projects. This is very simple and quick to make. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please take your time to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. So for row 1 we are going to work 18 chains and then join your last chain to the first using a slip stitch to form a ring. So when you're doing this, please make sure your work is or your chain is not twisted and it forms a complete ring. So for row 2 we are going to work chain 1 and then we will work one single crochet on the third loop or the back bump of each of our chains of row 1. So you can see front loop, back loop, and there will be a back bump. This is also called as a third loop. So we are going to work one single crochet on that on each of our chains of row 1. So and then we will join to our first single crochet using a slip stitch. So this will be our row 2. You can see why we worked on the back bump. So our chain work at the bottom looks like this, which gives a very beautiful finish for our work. So now I am joining to my first single crochet using a slip stitch and then we can proceed with row 3. So for row 3 and 4 we are going to chain 1, work one single crochet on each stitch around. So for row 3 and row 4 we are going to just repeat working one single crochet on each stitch around, then working joining to the first single crochet using a slip stitch. So now we've completed up to row 4. Now we can proceed with row 5. For row 5 we are going to do a chain 1, slip single crochet on the same stitch and then single crochet on the next stitch as well, and then work one double crochet, one triple crochet, one double crochet on the third stitch, and then work one single crochet in next 2 stitches, and then work one double crochet, one triple crochet and one double crochet in the next stitch, and then work one single crochet in next 2 stitches and one double crochet, one triple crochet, one double crochet in the next stitch. So we are going to do this around. That is, we are going to work one single crochet each on 2 stitches and one double crochet, one triple crochet, one double crochet on the next stitch. So we are going to work like this around. and then we'll join with our first stitch using a slip knot. Then we can secure our knot. Our crown is now ready. Looks very cute and tiny. It can be used as your doll hat, or you can use them in your amigurumi project for the dolls that you've crocheted. So this is again a very quick make. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.